Introduce highlight features or overview summary for VEVOR Steam Cleaner for home use, portable steam cleaner with 20 accessories, 45 ounces tank and 16.4 feet power cord. Steamer for deep cleaning floors, windows, grout, grills, cars, and more. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 15-second fast heating time. Our steam cleaner is equipped with the VEVOR Intelligent Atomization System, which enables the fastest steam production in just 15 seconds. It offers 6 levels of steam adjustment, making it ideal for cleaning various surfaces like tiles, marble, wooden floors, carpets, glass, and more. Feel the power of steam. VEVOR Professional Steam Cleaner will effectively clean a wide range of surfaces by using 200 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam, naturally deep clean. It has the power to dissolve 99% of oil and stains swiftly. Additionally, it ensures using safety with dry burn protection and overheating protection. 45 ounces water tank. Equipped with 45 ounces or 1.3 liters large capacity water tank, which offers 33 to 80 minutes of continuous steam cleaning when fully filled. You can easily monitor the water level and refill water directly during machine usage without any waiting time. 20 multifunctional accessories. The accessories include a mop head, mop cloth, nylon brush, copper brush, large round brush, magnetic seam brush, jet nozzle, curved nozzle, scraper and window scraper, measuring cup, funnel, and storage bag. With these accessories, you can achieve superior cleaning results in various areas. Greater reach. Extra long 6.5 feet steam hose and 16.4 feet power cord provide added maneuverability and reach for those hard to get to places. This means you won't have to move the machine frequently while cleaning. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.